Weight shifting squats are an excellent precursor to pistol squats. So to begin, you get into a low squat and you're going to hold yourself there. Stay down low. Put your feet a little bit outside your shoulder width, and then you simply shift your weight from one foot to the other. You're trying to shift your weight all the way so that your foot is directly under the center of your body. Once you're comfortable with that, then as you get to the end of the range, you just simply lift your leg off the ground that hasn't got your weight on it, and off you go. Once you're comfortable with your foot off the ground, then we can start on the pistol squats.